Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a delicious and hearty dish from the beautiful island of Samos in Greece, moussaka. Moussaka is a layered casserole featuring savory ground meat, silky eggplant and a creamy béchamel sauce. It's a crowd pleaser and perfect for a special occasion or a comforting weeknight meal. Ingredients: 2 large eggplants, half a cup of olive oil, 1 large onion, chopped, 1 pound ground lamb or beef, half a teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 14.5-ounce canned diced tomatoes, undrained, half a cup of red wine, half a cup crumbled feta cheese, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Instructions. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Now, let's prep the eggplants. Slice them into half-inch rounds. Here's a tip. Sprinkle them with salt and let them sit for 30 minutes. This helps draw out any bitterness. After 30 minutes, rinse the eggplant slices and pat them dry. Heat up a 1/4 cup of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the eggplant slices and cook for 5 to 7 minutes per side or until they're golden brown. Once cooked, drain them on paper towels. In the same skillet, heat the remaining olive oil. Add the chopped onion and cook until softened. Then add your ground lamb or beef and cook, breaking it up with a spoon until browned. Now, it's time for the spices. Stir in the oregano, cinnamon and nutmeg. Let that cook for a minute to release the flavors. Next, pour in the diced tomatoes and red wine. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly. Don't forget to season with salt and pepper to taste. Now for the fun part, assembling. In a large baking dish, spread a thin layer of the meat sauce. Top that with a layer of cooked eggplant slices. Repeat with another layer of meat sauce and another layer of eggplant. Topping. In a small bowl, combine the crumbled feta cheese, chopped parsley and breadcrumbs. This will be our delicious topping. Sprinkle it evenly over the top layer of eggplant in the baking dish. Or bake. Bake the moussaka in your preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Once it's out of the oven, let the moussaka cool slightly before serving. Slice and enjoy this taste of Samos. Upbeat music. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you give this Samos moussaka recipe a try. If you do, leave a comment below and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipe adventures.